In today's video, we're going to give you a market update on the Scottsdale condo market. Take a look at our other video we just put out on the Phoenix condo market. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear below. Do you guys think the market is going to go higher or lower? Do you think that we're going to have interest rates on the rise, or are interest rates coming down? Do you think now is a good time to buy or sell a property? Are you thinking of leaving the Phoenix area, or are you looking at coming to the Phoenix area? We'd love to hear what everybody has to say about the market. So let's get into the information. In this gauge, 100 is basically zero. Anything in the green indicates there's more demand than there is supply, and it's a seller's market. Anything in the red is a buyer's market. You can see in Scottsdale right now, this does not break down the difference between single-family homes and condos. But in general, if 100 is neutral between buyers and sellers, 146 means we're in a seller's market still in Scottsdale. Now, we just did a video on Phoenix, and actually Phoenix was up around 187. So Phoenix is actually stronger right now than Scottsdale. In real estate, everything comes down to supply and demand. And right now we have a demand index. It's below normal at 100, but it's still much stronger than the supply over here. So you can just see the demand index is at 76, the supply is at 52. Whenever you have that, this gauge is going into the green. So now let's look at the current inventory of what's on the market in Scottsdale. There's currently 296 units available for sale, and their price ranges are from $125,000. Now this is a co-op. It's a little different than regular fee simple ownership. You basically are buying into a community and you have to pay cash. So we normally don't look at those. We don't show a lot of those, and there's not a lot of them in the valley in general. But anyway, the price ranges start out just over $100,000 on the lower end for a 2-bed, 1-bath cooperative. You can see this one for $135,000 is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath built in 1965. And then on the higher side, we have one for $5.65 million. It was built in 2008. It's in Kierland. It's a 3-bed, 3.5 bath, and it's just right at 4,000 square feet. Now, to get the most accurate data on what's really going on in the current market versus the past market, because the past is not an indicator of the future, we always want to go and look at what's sold in the last 30 days. So we can see that we had 101 closings in the last 30 days. So out of almost 300 homes for sale, we had 100 homes sell. So that's about, let's just say that's 33% of the market. But then we want to look at what's pending right now, because that's the most recent information. That's the part of the market that everybody wants to see and experience if they're out there making offers on properties. We have 174 properties that are currently under contract. So the bottom line is we have more people now buying in the last 30 days than closing in the previous 30 days, meaning the market has picked up. There's a lot more people putting offers in. So now, of 296 homes that are for sale, we're absorbing 174 of those homes. And that just shows you how strong the demand currently is in the condo market. Again, Phoenix numbers were even better than Scottsdale numbers right now. And there's no particular reason other than, for the most part, is price. You know, in general, Scottsdale is a lot more expensive than Phoenix. And let me just show you real quick on this next chart. Right now in Scottsdale, the average list price to sales price is 97.2%. And that's something that people are, often want to know, what is the average asking price or list price to sales price? Now you can see that Scottsdale is hovering right around $445 per square foot list price, asking price. Let's go back, let's go down here now and change that out to Phoenix in comparison. So now in comparison, let's take a look at Phoenix, and you can see that the asking price per square foot is much lower in Phoenix than it is in Scottsdale, and that's one of the primary reasons for the difference in the market itself. So we just wanted to share this information with you today, give you an update on the market. It's a very strange time now with interest rates being so high. There's so many things going on with the Fed and with rates. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Right now, the stock market has been pretty high, actually, for where the economy probably is. Everybody's wondering if we're going to see a recession in the next 6 months or so, or the next year, and nobody seems to know, but we keep track of this data every month and put out new videos every week. Thanks for tuning in. Check out our other video that we just did on the Phoenix condo market, and have a great day.